Hi, it's Danny back with video 3 in this little series of movements for the humerus bone from the elbow to the shoulder socket here. Take your right arm now and let's play with external and internal rotation. Opening out like you're serving a tray of goodies and then closing in. You can mix up the forearm, might be more of a stirring position here with neutral palm. You could be in the polishing position, palm down. But feel this ball rotating in the socket and from different angles. How's this higher up? And include the weight shift. Let's keep the lower body moving, the torso active. So it could be higher, wider, across the body. Can you go behind your body? How's your internal rotation to take that right hand on your lower back, even up towards your opposite shoulder blade? Something to be aware of your range there. Okay, we'll switch this straight over. Moving in, moving out. It's the closing the sliding door and opening sliding door. It's the arm wrestle muscles. Lots of sports, movements in life. This is a free, nice, easy open chain version. Again, go to the side. Watch out for the video using bands to help you strengthen this, to put some resistance in these same movements. And how's that to go behind? Can you internally rotate that shoulder? You can bring the hand up higher, not so easy. And how about that fun little move back to the right hand, like you're holding a tea candle without spilling any wax on your head. You have to dance. You have to be wide with your stance. There's side bend, there's rotation, there's shoulder blade. You can feel that on the other side. You can do a little shot of some of your favorite liquid there to test that motion. Just a little fun motion that brings all of this together. All right, thanks for joining in with today's class. Be sure to check out the other videos in this series about the ball and socket here.